Anybody dying for the laundry?
So we just got off the plane and we have got a bus and we're just driving the streets of Seoul, and our tour guide Sohei was already telling us some stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We are walking down. I don't know what the street is, but
oh my god, the tops in here.
Look at this quote. Look at
everything is cute.
I know. Everything is so cool. I wish I would have budgeted more money. I don't know how to explain what I'm feeling. Oh,
I almost had my K-drama
fell in love. Oh, that's exactly what I was thinking. This is tteokbokki. Ooh, that was gorgeous, man. I gotta put like some romance music behind this. Okay, so this is the BBQ chicken with what sauce? Gabi sauce, and it is so good. This is a divine experience. Walking around Seoul, and our awesome tour guide Sohei is chatting with us. We're all tuned in to Channel 3, and yeah, we're just listening to some cool facts about the places on our left and right and all of that. It's fun. So right now she's taking us down the aisle that's straight up all barbecue, and it smells delicious. Hey, oh, cute!
And then from this point, that area become famous for the Korean antique street.
That's why night after night.
Wait. Tell me if it's okay. You got him like him. I love it.
So we just came out of this cool play store right here, and it felt so cool because Jungkook's Seven started playing, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm listening to the song and I'm in South Korea. It's so cool. But yeah, so we're just kind of shopping these really cool shops. Wait, is it COCT or CCOT or CTOC? Yeah, so we are at this really cool Korean dessert place, and I got the sweet red bean porridge, and it's hot, so I'm excited about it. It's gonna be yummy. Give it to me. Okay, let's see. Tasty. I love it. Thanks. You wanna try some?
Yes.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Yesterday was a day of traveling, waking up early in Japan, like 3 a.m. so that we could leave at 4 to get to the airport on time. Our plane to Seoul was a bit delayed, but we got here, then right after checked in, and then we went on an optional little initial tour from our tour guide Sohei, just mainly around our hotel, but like a lot of shops and stuff, and like right in the middle sometimes there are people's houses that people still live in, so it's a good mix of shops and houses too. And then we saw a music store. They import like really good instruments, and she even said that sometimes Korean artists, like really famous ones, go there to get like special instruments, which is really cool. There are a lot of cute little photo booth places, and so me and Michelle took these photos. It was fun because I got an avocado head for the first one, and then an eggplant head, and then a rocket ship, and then a fish. But I thought it was one that fits over your whole head, so I was trying to, you know, and then it covered my eyes, and it looked like, just to say the outcome looks like I'm drunk, and then you could see Michelle's facial reaction, like she's cracking up, she's about to die. She actually was out of breath and like crying, because she's like, why do you look drunk? And so that's us, me with an avocado head, and then Michelle, and then an eggplant head and flower head. And there I am looking drunk. Honestly, we were kind of tired, so we did go to sleep early. But now, after hearing about the cool experiences my roomie had in Itaewon, I'm like, I wish I would have just chugged some coffee. But yeah, so today is our first full day, and we have, we're about to go hit up some free breakfast, and then we meet with our tour guide. Oh my god. Bulgogi in South Korea. Let's go. That's the first thing I'm trying. Oh my god. I might get a second plate of just the bulgogi. You don't have to force me to eat bulgogi.
I know. Bulgogi is the thing.
Plate number 2. It's so yummy. Lychee.
So you say that it's other one.
This tango is one person is a political leader.
So this is the Seoul Sky, and it is gorgeous. When we were leaving the Seoul Sky, 10 minutes before we had to get to the bus, a couple of their marketing team pulled us to the side saying, hey, we want to interview y'all. So we got interviewed, and it was a fun experience, but also a dorky experience.
한국의 전통 국자 중에 한복이라고 있어요. 그 재질하고 똑같은 재질로 만들었어요.
Just put the oil in the cooking pan, mixed our egg, mixed our flour, green onions. So yeah. So I flipped mine over, and I think I did a good job. The only thing is I poured my egg a little too fast. Ooh. So now I'm just waiting for another pair of chopsticks because I dropped mine on the floor, but look at this. I'm so ready. Ah, thank you.
Woo! That looks gorgeous. Look at that.
Good job.
2, 3.
Oh no! Man down, man down.
Sexy lady.
So update, we are riding a taxi to Seoul Sky, and we're going down one of these streets that are super narrow, and you like let one person in at a time. This one guy was like, no, I'm not gonna move. And then we tried to go by him. We kind of squeaked up against another car, and then that guy, well, I don't know, it's a long story, but I have a video from my phone. But this is an experience. But you know, our dude is nice. I'm on his side. I'm just saying, I'm on his side because he was a nice one. It was the other guy that was being kind of rude.
Our poor little taxi driver was trying to help us.
Yeah.
못 나가 뭐. 아 그러면 거기 서 있어야지. 그 달려 들어오면 어떡하냐고.
He needs to back up.
아 저 앞에 서 있어야지.
Yeah. That's crazy.
여기 차 여기 제가 붙여서 긁히는 거 봤거든요.
아 그래요?
네. 이분이랑 상의하셔야
예.
돼요.
잠깐만 기다리세요.
That's okay.
So we came back to the Seoul Sky, and it is beautiful. Now we have more time. We just had more mochi. And now we're just here relaxing, basking in the sun. This level is actually outside, and I love it. So yeah. Top 123 Sky Lounge, and it's really beautiful. We had a cheese board. We had a bottle of what they said was an equivalent to soju, but let's just say it's very strong. Burns your throat a bit. And now we have a traditional Korean dessert in front of us, so we're excited. But it's nice, so we're gonna watch the sunset. Sesame is good. So we are walking around the cool shops by our hotel, and I got this really cool sweater that was on sale. And I'm so glad because it's so cute and I can blend in with everyone else who looks so cute. Well, I can kind of blend in. She was like touching my hair and like, you're so cute. So I'm like, it's obvious I don't, you know, I'm not a local. Anyway. So we are finishing the night with some Korean bulgogi pasta at a Korean Italian restaurant. So cool. And I'm so excited. So after having Korean bulgogi pasta at the Italian Korean fusion restaurant, we walked to the 7-Eleven right across from our hotel and got some snacks. I got some chocolate covered macadamias, but I ate them all, so yeah, that's that. But I also got these chips. They are ramen flavored chips, and one of my other travel buddies recommended them, so I'm going to take these on the bus with us because tomorrow we are driving 4 hours to a monk monastery. Good night.